First, we're going to do in this code is define what peak we're going to use. In this case, it's going to be an 1883550 as well the features that we're going to be using for the LCD screen. After that, we will declare the timer at 4 megahertz and we're going to add the LCD library to be able to work with the display. Right away, we're going to define the ports B0 and B1 as the trigger and the echo for our sensor. Then we're going to set the signal through the trigger every 2 microseconds, which will be received later in the echo. In this way, we can obtain the results of the measurements as the ultrasonic sensor work by the sending signal and waiting for it bounce of an object. Then it calculates the time it takes to go and return the signal. The next the next that we have is a while cycle, which is going to make sure that we are receiving a correct information because we always have to receive positive values. If we receive a -1, it indicates that we're having an error in the communication between the sensor and the peak. The next step is to convert the information of time into a distance measurement. We did it in the line 40 because we say that the distance is equal to the get timer 1 divided by 5.8. In this way, we are going to convert the measurement of the time that the signal takes in going and back to the sensor into a measurement of distance, in this case in centimeters. Now that we have the information about the distance at which the object is located for, from us, the next step will be show this information in the display. For this, we are going to have a condition, and in this case, if the condition is that if we are having a negative value, we're going to show that we are having an error in the communication between the sensor and the peak. But if we have a positive value, we're going to show the value in the screen, as we can see in the line 58. And finally, we're going to delay 500 microseconds to do that operation again. As you can see in the video here, is showing a distance of 65 centimeters. This can be an error because the signal is crashing with an object, or we're having some interference in the measurement. There we have all the components ready for work. We can see the sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, the peak, and the LCD displays. ¿Dónde fue mi tía? So what's going to happen when I put my hand in front of the sensor? It's going to measure a distance of 80 centimeters. And as we can see, is according with the measure that we have in the rule that is behind the sensor.